everybody, and welcome to the first of the February videos in the Photography 101 course series, well, video series. It's not really a course, but I'm trying to present it that way. Anyway, as I am YouTube's photography professor, this is Photography 101. So, I hope you enjoyed the heck out of January's assignment, which was to take photos in your house or within a mile of where you live. February is going to have a slightly different approach to the assignment. Over the course of this month, your goal is to take 36 photos, either one roll of film or just 36 photos with your digital camera, which is fine as well, or your cell phone. So this month's assignment is called Take Your Camera With You Everywhere. So basically what you're going to do this month is take your camera everywhere you go. And you're going to take photos throughout the course of the month of things that look interesting to you or that you think would make good photos. The objective here is not as much about what's in the actual photos as it is about building a habit within you to always have a camera on you. So for those of you who are here looking to expand your horizons beyond basic cell phone photography and want to use either a film or a digital camera, or who are even just learning at the very beginning and are using their cell phones, this assignment is meant to help you get into the practice and the habit of always having a camera. A camera is only as useful as your ability to have it on you. So if you don't have it, you're not taking any photos. That's the learning objective here. In 2 weeks, I'll be back with a reminder about this assignment and a reminder about using the Photography 101 with David Hancock Instagram hashtag and adding me you know what I mean, on Instagram so that I can follow your assignments as you do them through the course of the year. Until then, I hope you enjoy keeping a camera on you all month, and I'll check in with you guys in 2 weeks.